Yo, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum into PlayDapp token. So first of all, as usual, we are going to open price tracking website. For me, I'm going to use CoinMarketCap. If you are comfortable with other websites, please be free to use them as well. But for those who doesn't have any price tracking website or don't know any, please use this website. It is very safe and very easy to use, and it will just prevent you from getting scammed. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, right here the name of the token that you are willing to transfer your Ethereum to. For us, we are willing to transfer Ethereum into PlayDapp, so write PlayDapp or PLA as shortcut. You have multiple information in this page, but for us we only need the contract's address. So go ahead and click on this icon right here, copy the address, and when you get this notification, that means you are ready to go to the next step, which is opening the uniswap.org website. Now you click on the launch app, you connect your wallets, and you make sure that you are on Ethereum main network. And for those who don't know which wallet they have MetaMask, they have Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic, and Portis. So you can use whatever you have or whatever you are comfortable using. For me, I'm comfortable using MetaMask, and for those who doesn't have MetaMask, you can download it on any single browser that you are using by just going to metamask.io and download now. Now we go back to the interface. You click on the MetaMask. After connecting it, you have to go to the Ethereum main network. It is on the default settings, so you don't worry guys, you have to just click on it. And yeah, and then import tokens, click on custom tokens, click here, add custom token, import token, and now you select the token in the Uniswap interface. You add it, import. Now guys, you are able to transfer Ethereum into PLA or the reverse. I mean Ethereum, the PLA token into Ethereum. That was the video for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos in the future. See ya.